going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. There's a reason why I'm wearing this shirt. In today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about Credit Repair Cloud, or CRC. And the reason I chose to make a video about this is because me and some other YouTubers and some so-called credit repair specialists have really not had much good to say about Credit Repair Cloud, because the updates you give tend to, well, not tend to, they're always off. So I recently started using Credit Repair Cloud again, and the reason why is because the number one thing Credit Repair Cloud is used for is creating your own letters. Yes, they have templates in there that you can use. They work if you know what you're doing, but we create our own templates, copy and paste them into CRC, and then we put the law that's attached to the account, depending on whether it's a medical bill, collection, charge off, repossession, student loan, child support, bankruptcy, whatever it is, we're going to use the law in those letters. So I just wanted to make it clear that Credit Repair Cloud is a good software if you are going in and creating your own letters and your own templates and your own reasonings. You don't ever want to use credit repair software and use the templates that are already inside the software. I promise you it's not going to work. It may work in about 12 or 24 months like Lexington Law, but it's not going to work, and you're not going to get good results, and you're not going to get consistent results. So again, I decided to wear this shirt again because I just wanted y'all to know CRC is good. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Tuesday.